Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how we can schedule a job using the Cron utility on Linux and Unix like operating systems. Let's say we want to schedule jobs to run automatically at certain times. For that we can leverage this Cron utility. Okay? For example, when we want to load a script at midnight at every night, or let's think we want to execute a backup script to run every Sunday at 2 a.m. So cron utility allows you to automate such tasks. Before we begin, let's understand this. Cron is a service that runs jobs, and there's something called cron. It interprets Crontab files. So Crontab contains jobs and schedule data. So Crontab enables to edit a Crontab file using a text editor on the terminal. Alright, now we are going to see how we can create our first cron job. We are going to open the editor by saying Crontab, then -e after the space. So this will open our editor. Okay, now when we open this editor, it might be Vim in macOS, or in Windows it might be different. That will be fine. So in macOS, to go to the editing mode, we have to press I letter in the keyboard because we are currently in the command mode. So press the I letter in keyboard, then now you are in the editing mode. Now there's a syntax that we are following when we are scheduling a new job. That is, firstly we have to provide minute and then hour. Next one is day of month. Okay, let's say DOM, and we have to provide the month nextly. And next one is day of week. Finally we are providing the command. Okay, now we are going to create our job. Firstly, I will insert the minute. Let's say now it is 30 for 30 p.m. Let's execute this in for 35 p.m. Then we can say 35 as the minute. And what is the hour? Currently it is 4 p.m. Then it will be 16. So the next one, we want to execute this in every day, every month, and every day of week. Mondays, then up to Sunday, including Sunday. Okay, so we will say this wildcard character to explicitly say run that every day of week and the month and day of week. So we are using the star as the wildcard character. Okay, now the command. So let's say the command, we are using this date command. So this is a command that print a date. Using the date command we can print a date. Let me open a new window and show you that. If we execute this date, here this is printed, current time and date is printed. So what we will do is forward that to a new file. So it will be say times.txt. So what will happen is this will append the current date to the file called times.txt at every 4:35 p.m. at every day in a week or a month. Okay, that's fine. Now we are going to save this. Press escape or exit button in the keyboard, then type :WQ exclamation symbol. So it will be saved. The Crontab file will be saved. Now you will see this message in installing new Crontab. Press OK there. Now it is saved. We have to wait until 4:35 p.m. Okay, time has passed. Actually, we have not provided a path for our times.txt. So that will be saved in our root directory. So we have this times.txt in my root directory. Let's open that. Here it is available now, the time of 4:35 p.m. Now let's open the editor again. Type Crontab -e. Now we have to provide the path for our file. Let's say we want to save this file in the desktop. I can directly paste a path if we have that in the clipboard, or let's provide that by typing. Firstly, I will say this symbol and then /, then desktop. After that, file name will be times.txt, and let's change the time to 4:39 p.m. Okay. Now we can save this. Press escape or exit. Type :WQ exclamation symbol. Now it will be asks you permission. Click OK. Now it will be created in 1 minute. Okay, time is 4:39 p.m. Let's check our desktop. Now we have this times.txt and we have this date time. Okay, fine. Now you might think, what happened if we close this terminal? Actually, it will work still because these cron jobs will run in the background. Let's change this time to 4:41. Okay. Now remember, you can provide these values if we need it. As I told you, month, hour, day of month, and the day of week. Okay. Now I'm going to save this one. Now let's close this terminal also, because we have to check whether it is working. I'm going to delete this times.txt. Actually, it is having ability to append a new value, because current values will not be replaced by a new value. Okay, as you can see, times.txt file is created. Now let's check that. Okay, we have our date time. Finally, let me go ahead and explain you that again. So we have this minute and hour. Let's say we want to provide this day of month. Day of month is 20 and month is 9, and day of week, let's say it will be 0 for the Sunday and 1 for the Monday, 2 for the let's say this is Wednesday, so it will be 3. Then what happen is, in every September, in every Wednesday, because this is 3, 0 for Sunday and 1 for Monday and so on, and this is about day of week, which is 20, and 16 means 4 p.m. and 41 means minute. Okay, so we are going to change this to 4:45 p.m. Now we are going to save this. Okay, now I'm going to close this and check our times.txt after 4:45 p.m. whether the new date time has appended or not. Okay, as you can see, this times.txt is changed. Is this 4:45 is the modified time. Let's open that. Now we got this one appended there.